In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock channel or group in Telegram. If you tap a channel or group and see a notice that says, "This channel can't be displayed," don't worry. This message appears frequently on iOS because of platform guidelines that limit certain content from showing in the mobile app. The fastest workaround is to adjust your content settings from Telegram web or the desktop app. Where those controls are available, open a browser and go to Telegram web, then sign in to your Telegram account. Once you are in, look for the three horizontal lines in the top corner to open the menu and choose Settings. In Settings, select Privacy and Security. Now scroll down until you find the Sensitive Content section. There, turn the switch for Disable Filtering to on. That single change tells Telegram not to filter sensitive material for your account. Because settings sync across devices, channels and groups that were previously hidden should become viewable on your phone as well. Give it a moment to update and then try opening the channel again from your mobile app. Be sure you are signed in to Telegram web or desktop with the same account you use on your phone so the setting syncs correctly. And remember, you can return to this section anytime to turn filtering back on if you prefer. If you prefer the desktop app, the path is the same. Menu, Settings, Privacy and Security. Then enable Disable Filtering in Sensitive Content. Here is another common scenario. Maybe you personally blocked or muted a channel, stopped a bot, or the chat was archived and slipped out of sight. In that case, the fix is simply to bring the conversation back into your active list. At the top of your chat list, use the search bar and start typing the exact name of the channel, group, or bot. When it appears in the results, tap to open it. If it's a bot you stopped earlier, you'll see an option to restart. Select that to resume the conversation instantly. For a regular channel or group, just start typing a message in the input field to re-engage, or read the latest posts to bring it back into focus. This quick search and open step is often all it takes to restore access when the issue is personal blocking, muting, or archiving rather than filtering. That's it. Thanks for watching.